Yo, what's up again? I've been trying this a lot now, but stay irate. Yeah, my throat keeps kind of fucking up every single time. But I'm gonna do Death Portrait by Lorna for one more time because I know I can do it way better than I did the first time. I can kind of see it. Said it, dog shit. But yeah. Just drinking water to make sure I don't screw up my throat this time and do it alright. And try to put a bit less power. And if you want, you can just, I'd appreciate if the person who would see this would comment on how it sounds. Alright. Blood around their throats. Alright. The forces exciting and enticing, these familiar voices become mesmerizing, slicing and pulling, manipulating, taking control about your sacrificing. I am talent to destroy our land. I am become one with the dark. Playing with the fire is exciting and enticing. The familiar voices become mesmerizing, rising and prying, manipulative, conniving, trigger control about to sacrifice king. I've been on my lip. Yeah. Alright. Was it perfect? It absolutely wasn't. But I think I did a lot better than the other 2 times. So, peace.